not. Hi beauties, welcome to our channel.
We did it! Yes! Yeah!
So my name is Aileen.
And I'm Reign.
And we are both licensed cosmetologists. And we met each other in the industry and we became friends. Yay!
Not by choice. No, I'm kidding.
Oh.
I love her! We're friends and we're boss-ass beauties.
No, we should not do thunder guns. Finger guns.
We both love the beauty industry so much, but I think that there's a couple things in the beauty industry as far as social media goes that people are not being their genuine selves anymore. And everyone's kind of morphing into the same thing.
Yeah.
And we're over it.
Like very robotic.
Yes.
Every YouTube channel we seem to watch, it's the same thing. You're doing the same smoky eye. You're doing the same, you know, contouring, which is cool.
I look like an emo queen right now. Can we just like look at me compared to you?
Because of that, we are kind of sick of seeing the same thing, and we wanted to do something different. Something that involved not just doing makeup on each other, but you know, testing products.
And products that aren't like $150.
No.
Products that everyone and their mothers can afford to get.
Yeah, because I'm not going to go out and spend $200 on a foundation or a face cream to test it.
No.
Because it's just not my budget. So we want to bring something a little bit different. We are going to talk about things that are going on, like, I don't know,
all
trends, topics. We want to hear from everybody, so if you have something that you want us to talk about,
we would love to.
You know, comment down below. We also want to, what else are we thinking? Think like what's hot and what's not, but maybe like if it's not hot for us, that doesn't mean it's not going to be something that you guys are all about. And we're going to give our honest opinion because we're just starting off, so we have no sponsors, we have no coupon codes, we have nothing like that.
And that's something I think we both agreed on, that no matter what happens here on out, we will always continue to stay true to ourselves and everyone that watches, because that's one of the things that we both dislike in the beauty industry online right now. How everybody just goes with the flow, and as soon as they see a paycheck, they just, oh, this is great. And I don't agree with that. I'm not going to sell something I don't agree with. I tell people that at my salon when I'm working, I will not sell a product that I do not believe in. That is against my morals.
And I agree. I'm the same way. If I don't like it, I'm not gonna tell people to get it because it just doesn't feel authentic, and honestly it's not making me any money, so why do I care whether or not I like the product or not?
No, it's the truth.
Along with talking about beauty, clothing, you know, anything that kind of related, we are also adding a little twist to things.
Yes.
We also have a huge passion for wine.
Yes.
And not the type of passion where we know about wine, because I know nothing about wine.
We're also not alcoholics.
No, we're not. Nor do we condone underage drinking.
No.
So
don't do this at home unless you are over 21.
Exactly.
And do it responsibly.
Yes. So we are going to choose a different type of wine for every episode that we do. We're going to talk about it, discuss it. Maybe we could do some like pairings, like, oh, this would be really good with, you know, a type of candy or a type of snack. And if it's a yay, we'll say it's a yay, and if it's a nay, then we'll probably won't even
This is disgusting, don't ever drink it.
We probably won't even finish the bottle.
No.
We'll probably have backup bottles of things because we might not like certain things.
And since this is our first video, we're on our second bottle. No judgment. We're very nervous. And it's delicious.
Yes.
Should we review it now?
Yeah.
Okay. So we got, it's called Italia Riscato.
It is.
See that ring light?
Yeah, right?
How do we do that?
There you go. Look at you with your hand behind it, like
I
you.
know.
So, what is it? It's a rosé. It's a sweet red.
Yeah, I don't like red wine. I think it's disgusting. Usually it's too dry. I feel like it sucks everything out of my tongue. The other night I went and did someone's extensions, my friend, and she had this, and it's delicious. I think it's sold in the, like, only in the refrigerator at the, like, Fine Wine Good
That's
Spirits.
where I could find it. So it says there is notes of cherry, blackberry, and red raspberry. And it complements barbecue dishes, pasta and red and cream sauces, breaded cutlets, and spicier fare, and you enjoy it chilled. Well, we've been eating it with spinach dip and banana bread.
And it's bomb.
Courtesy of Reign's mother.
My mother.
So, shout out to Reign's mom for making us that.
Shout out to Kathy. And it's really good. I just want to show you too our cute little wine glasses that say Beauties and the Bottle on them. And of course we have our straws.
And the glasses are courtesy of my friend's husband.
Yes.
Who made them for us, so cheers.
Cheers. If you like white wine that's sweet, you will like this red wine.
Oh, for sure.
100%.
It's actually, it would probably be good for the summer too.
Yeah.
If you're like, oh, I only drink sweets in the summer, whatever. I don't care, I drink everything all the time.
It's a bomb.
Yeah, it's very good. And I think it's nice because so far it hasn't made my teeth red. Which red wine loves to change my teeth red. Especially since I whiten them and it's just like not a good pairing. Yeah, right. Do I have a wine mustache? No, I just probably have a regular mustache.
Same.
So yeah, if you think this is the type of channel that you would like to be following or like, you know, like to be a part of, follow us. If not, move right along.
Goodbye. You're
Bye,
lost.
And if you think this is something you might enjoy, subscribe, comment, like us, and we will attach all of our social media down below. And we look forward to hearing from you guys.
We're excited. Sorry we're awkward. We promise to get better at this.
Yes, this is the first time.
First time.
So cheers!
Cheers! Now what? Yeah.
Alright, well, can we watch it?